guys, and welcome back. Yes, we did have another giveaway and I wasn't feeling too well, so I'm trying to get it done now. This one ended on Tuesday, March 4th at 5. Weird thing is I had it, sorry about that, March 4th is Friday. I just wrote the wrong day down. Anyway, I still had the right day. Today's the 5th. And I'm going to get this one done. This is on the IPSY Glam Bag. This was for the Jason Wu, which was all those products that I received from American Influencer. So I'm going to grab this over here. This was the video. Pop it up on over here to the random comment picker. If you guys remember, it was the word natural. Let's get that in there. Okay. And let's find ourselves a winner. We got 29 comments. And let's just come down here and just grab that start button. Okay, ready, set, and let's go. Cross your fingers, you guys, and good luck. Anjali Nanda. Congratulations, Anjali. Now I'm just going to go ahead. We're going to head over here real quick. And there I am. Right there. So Anjali, congratulations. We do have another new winner in the winner's circle. So Anjali, what do you do next? Well, first off, get excited because your name was picked and you did win everything except for that matte face oil from the new Jason Wu collection. Or I don't know that the products are new launches, but from the Jason Wu collection that I received in my American Influencer Beauty Bundle. And you now have 48 hours to get in touch with me, either by email. I do prefer the email, or by Instagram, but either way. And if any of you know who Anjali is and have a way to get a hold of her, please let her know and send her back over to this YouTube post. I would greatly appreciate it so that she can get in touch with me. Give Anjali a great, big, huge congratulations, because you never know when your name's going to end up right where hers is. Just real quick, it says, hello, hope you're doing well. I like natural shades, like your curly hair. Have a blessed Sunday. Thank you so much, Anjali. All right, you guys, there's always another chance to win, as I'm constantly having giveaways. I have got to seriously get rid of this stuff that I have in my inventory. All right, until the next one, you guys have a blessed day as well. Bye.